Hello folks, I am Georgios Papadopoulos and welcome to this video on CoAP type of messages. Now this video is just one in a much longer series of tutorial videos on CoAP. So if that interests you, you should subscribe and check out the rest of the videos as well. CoAP stands for Constrained Application Protocol and it is defined in RFC 7252 standard. Now, RFC 7252 defines 4 types of messages, and that includes the confirmable, non-confirmable, acknowledgement, and reset. In this video, we are going to present these 4 types of messages. The first message is the confirmable. A message that requires an acknowledgement is called confirmable. When no packets are lost, each confirmable message elicits exactly one return message of type acknowledgement or reset. For example, a reliable message transmission is provided by marking the message as confirmable. Then there is non-confirmable message. It is the message that doesn't require an acknowledgement. This is particularly true for messages that are repeated regularly for application requirements. For example, repeated measurement from a sensor where eventual success is sufficient. Here is an example of a message that doesn't require a reliable transmission. Such message can be marked as non-confirmable. The third message type is the acknowledgement. An acknowledgement message acknowledges that a specific confirmable message arrived. Note that by itself, an acknowledgement message doesn't indicate success or failure of any request encapsulated in the confirmable message. Here is an example of an acknowledgement message that acknowledges that a specific confirmable message arrived. The fourth and the last message is the reset. A reset message indicates that a specific message, which can be a confirmable or non-confirmable, was received, but some state is missing to properly process it. For example, when the receiving node has rebooted and has lost some context that will be required to interpret the message. Here is a scenario where the server is not at all able to process a confirmable message, and therefore it replies with a reset message instead of an acknowledgement. And that's all folks. Thank you for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, you should subscribe and check out the rest of the videos on CoAP.